In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude details in photo in Midjourney. Start by opening Discord and navigating to your conversation with the Midjourney bot. This can be a direct message with the bot or any channel where the bot responds to prompts. Make sure you're in a space where the bot is allowed to reply, then click into the message box at the bottom so you're ready to type. Let's say you generated a dog image earlier and it showed a hat you didn't want. The cleanest way to exclude that detail is to send a new prompt that only describes the essentials. In the message box, type the Midjourney command imagine. When the prompt field appears, write a short, focused description. For this example, type a dog sleeping. Keep it simple and intentional. By limiting your prompt to the subject and action, you avoid signaling extra items like accessories or props. If your earlier prompt mentioned a hat, don't reuse it. Start fresh so the AI isn't nudged toward that element again. Think of every word in your prompt as a cue. If you name it, Midjourney may try to include it. Even indirect words can suggest unwanted items. For instance, terms like festive or party might imply accessories. When in doubt, strip the prompt down to only what matters. Who or what is in the scene and what they're doing. You can add descriptive style words you actually want, but avoid filler that could introduce surprises. Order can help too. Put the most important concepts first. Here, dog and sleeping. If you want a particular mood or environment, you can add those after the core idea, but keep it lean. The goal is clarity over cleverness. Once you're satisfied, press enter to submit the command. You'll see the job queue notification, and after a short wait, Midjourney will return a grid of results based on your refined description. Because your prompt specifically centers on a dog sleeping and doesn't reference a hat, you've effectively excluded that detail. Take a look at the images that appear and notice how removing hat-related language steers the output toward a cleaner result. If the hat still sneaks in, it usually means the prompt still hints at it or is too broad. Try simplifying further or rephrasing to reinforce only the elements you want to see. Often, a concise prompt is the most reliable way to avoid unwanted objects. And that's it. Open Discord and the Midjourney bot. Write a clean prompt that describes only what you want and hit enter. With careful wording, excluding details becomes straightforward and consistent.